Hey, good afternoon, my friends. Checking on that Corning sky cam, clouding up skies a bit right now. We can see a bit of that hazy sunshine coming to an end, but it will fight back triumphantly later today. So that's going to be something as we look our way off. And along with that, we're also getting some storm chances to increase, settling in. Tidbits. Here we go. It is going to be more of the warm, hazy type of afternoon, getting that sun to poke through, and then also not out of the woods yet for thunderstorm chances. Those will be around thanks to all that instability, still holding on to more of that moisture content in the atmosphere. So, got to keep the eyes on the sky as we rush our way on. Let's take a check of temperatures. Right now, still very appropriate to get some of that production, and as we see here, 70s abound. Looking out towards Canisteo, Hornell, Bath at 74, down towards Corning and Elmira, mainly in those mid-70s. A few spots here slightly cooler. Spencer 71, Ithaca 72, and even pushing down to Pennsylvania a little bit more. As you can see, those 60s, that's where the rain cooled air that moved through. Already saw some thunderstorms. So the main threat right now, we're looking later on to the afternoon, is going to be up this way, further into New York. So let's take a look now. Satellite radar, all this moisture easing its way, tracking on through. How is this going to factor in to what we see with that thunderstorm threat? Well, I'll tell you here now as we ease our way into the next few hours, it's just going to be more of this, the little spotty, discrete cells, potential for that to pop up as we look at this future track. So look at this, 2 going to 4, down to Chemung County, Tioga of New York. This is going to be something we have to, of course, be taking and be mindful of, as it's going to be that type of day where you could still get these little storms to pop up, even though the main line has moved down to central and then southeastern Pennsylvania. After that's all said and done, though, we're going to be clearing out. Very nice weather. You can grab that pair of sunglasses for tomorrow because it's widespread sunshine, smooth sailing for your Thursday. The blue skies break out, and then even going towards the late phases of that day, looking forward into Friday, more rain, a little bit more of a storm chance trying to bump up, but should be seeing a good deal of sun, slight chance of thunderstorms into that Friday. Now with the severe risk still down into Pennsylvania, that's where the best risk has been all day, and they got that big line of storms again, cold front approaching, but this isolated cells, that is not going to be coming to an end just yet, where we see the slight risk, the marginal risk, more so that lesser sense of severe weather, that chance, it's still there. And of course, one, while you still need to make sure you have watches, warnings that you can get via a mobile device or some other way, especially if you're spending time outdoors. And speaking of that, it's the exercise cast today because National Running Day. So I'm just going to be taking my little lightning baton right here to indicate severe weather, and we're going to be running along the track here out of the way so you can take a check of some of these temperatures, and it's going to be a lot of the 70s as we settle into that afternoon, 60s towards the evening. Let's take a check then what we get after that storm threat today. It's going to be clearing skies, comfy conditions tonight, right into those 50s as humidity just dips its way back. And for that 7-day forecast, we are going to be seeing more so pressing on this week, highs building their way up, continuing into those 80s for you, all those summer-like feels with sunshine tomorrow to enjoy. Friday, slight thunderstorm chance, and you could keep that pair of sunglasses handy. Gorgeous weekend conditions ahead.